Hi, friends! Foil characters are basically two characters that are completely opposite. If you remember the story The Most Dangerous Game, Zaroff and Ivan were opposites. Zaroff was very thin, very tall, and he was very smart. Ivan, on the other hand, was very large, very not intelligent, but they just would look totally different next to each other. If you think about Ariel and Ursula, Ariel is moral and beautiful. Ursula is evil and very unattractive. um, if you've ever seen this movie, Tommy Boy, David Spade is like this very small, thin, angry kind of man. He's kind of stressed out a lot. Chris Farley is a big guy who is always looking to have a good time and always laughing. So basically, two characters who are completely opposite. So when you put them next to each other, you can highlight their qualities or their characteristics because they're so different than the person next to them.